Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your payment method was declined. If you're using any iPhone and you're having the issue that your payment method was declined, so let's see how can you fix your issue. So the very first thing, you have to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection, and you have to also make sure that you haven't any pending software update there and you haven't any connected VPNs. Open settings, go for general. At very first you have to check for VPN connection. If you are connected to any VPN, try to disconnect with that, then go for software update, and you have to try to make a software update. If you have any pending update here, try to update your software, and once you have checked, you just have to go back, and here you have to go for screen time settings, go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here. Once you have disabled, you just have to go back from here, and here you just have to look for the option of general again, then go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your passcode, and after that select reset network setting from the confirmation pop-up message, and after that all of your network settings will be resetted. If there will be any issue into your network settings, it will be fixed in this step. And after that, if you are still having the same issue, so you just have to open your support app, or you can use Apple Sport website here, but I'm going to use my Sport app, and then select your device, and then select subscriptions and purchases, and from here you just have to select any option from here which is relatable to your issue. Here's the unable to purchase, select that option, and here you just have to wait for a moment, and then you have to scroll down and you will find the option of get more help. Just select that and then select call us, and here you'll find a phone number or contact number for contacting Apple support team. Now whenever you want to call, you just have to dial this phone number and you can get official support from Apple support team. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.